Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu and his wife Maria Shaibu and other faithful Catholics worldwide on Sunday don join the commemoration for St. Paul Catholic Church, Airport Road, Benin City to celebrate this year's feast of Christ the King. Shaibu and his wife join body for the Holy Mass and procession where the parish priest, Reverend Father Charles Omojayate, lead round Benin City. Oga Shaibu come talk say that day na for Catholic faithful for all over the world to profess their faith in God, and to do this na to show God to the world through the sacrament. Shaibu come still talk say him dey show him God to the world sake of say na where he dey derive him joy and strength, and thank God for your undying love for him life, family and the world at large.
Christ the King, we profess God, and show God to the world, and show them that this is where we derive our strength, and we show professing openly to show the world this is our God, this is our creator. All of us should consistently do the works of right and obey the commandment of God. The 10 commandments of God should obey them. So today we are thanking God, praising Him, showcasing Him, and welcoming Him back to our community and society, and thanking Him for always being with us. So today I'm excited and happy that I'm shown to the whole world where I derive my strength, which is God, open eyes and the Holy Spirit. So thank God for Christ, thank God for God, thank Him for bringing His own Son to die for us on the cross for our people. And He has come to redeem us. So today is a day of joy for all of us to sing hallelujah to God, bringing His Holy Spirit for our sake. And for Him, we are all satisfied. So it's a joyful day for all of us.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.